button for to put the load on battery. You press and hold 10 seconds, and then you need to check on this side if your battery is 6 volt, and on my truck is 12 volt battery, so I gonna check another side. This is when you're gonna push the button, so the gauge gonna move to the this side if the battery is bad. If it's really strong, then it's not gonna move much. If it's go here, so it's really bad, maybe it's little bit weak. And this is the ampere you need if your battery 800 amperes or 1000 or 7. But in my truck I think maybe 7 to 8 or 7 to 900 amperes. And this is the box. When I connect the both cable to the battery and then start the truck, it's gonna show me the charging position. If it's charging good, the gauge, this gauge is gonna come to here during the your car is running. I connect the both cable with battery and I'm going to start the engine. So as you see, as soon as the engine is cranked, so the gauge hit the bad box position and now it's going up, charging system close to the OK. But today my truck was running for all day, but still when I shut it down and start again, so the gauges go really down. So right now it's dark, the evening time. I'm going home. Good morning. So after 10 hours I'm going to start again. So last night the temperature was around I think 10 degree in Montreal. So let's see how it's started. Wow, it was not easy start. It's a really hard start. So because something is wrong somewhere, so like maybe the battery is need to replace. So let's check battery. So here is all the battery, and I'm going to use the digital multimeter volt reader. So I gonna check the each battery with this how many volt it has, and then I gonna use the Motomaster Battery Tester. So this battery tester is gonna put the load on the battery, because here is a heater inside. It's gonna warm up and then it's gonna put the load on the battery. So then I will know how strong it is. So I'm going to disconnect all the battery first, and then I gonna take it out, and then I gonna use the digital multimeter for to check the volt for each battery, and then I gonna put the battery tester and I gonna put the load. So let's see. So here is lot of wires, negative and positive. So all the negative black one I already open and I hang it with tie rod, and then I gonna open the on the positive side. So first I open only the negative side and I hang it. This is also negative. So now I'm going to open the another side, and that's the positive one. So let's take it out all the battery. So now I'm going to check all the battery one by one. So you see it's showing 12.45 volt, but let's check with the battery tester load. When I put the load, so press and hold 10 seconds. Oh, as soon as I press the button, the gauge is go bad. It's mean this battery is really bad. So now I gonna connect the second one. Is showing 12.6 volt. So let's connect the load tester. Oops, again, as soon as press, even I did not count anything, you know, it's go down, it's go to the bad position right away. So the third one is 11.8. This battery volt is also less, so let's connect the load tester. Again, this is worse than other two. As soon as I put the load, and the gauge is go to the bed right way. So now I gonna connect the last one, the fourth one. So this is the last one, and another three is really bad. So let's check this one. Same thing. I gonna check the volt. How many volt? It's 12.7 or 8 volt is good. So let's put the load on the battery and count it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Wow, you know, it doesn't drop the gauge. It means this battery is strong, you know, it can handle the lot of load, you know. Even you can see the little smoke is coming from the grill, so it means the heater is working, but the gauge is still there, so that's great. But anyway, I gonna change all of them. Right now I have a old battery, the Caterpillar is very good company. So I bought the new battery, so I gonna check one of them. Let's see. Wow, this is also good. You can see the gauge doesn't drop. So man, this means this all is good. So let's put it back. So I already install the battery and connect the wire. So I'm just make sure I gonna tight everything. I hope it's gonna work. So after installing the battery, so this is the first start. Let's see how it start. Wow, that's amazing. You see, it's very quick. So you know the Motomaster, the device, the battery tester, that's very helpful, you know. So thank you very much guys. Have a nice day.